Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a lovely 7 bedroom, 7 bathroom, two-story house for sale. It sits on quarter acre of land and was built in 2007. It is located at Caribbean Park in Tower Isle, St. Mary. This property is perfectly designed with comfort in mind to accommodate a large family or can be used as an investment property for short or long-term rental. The first floor consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living room, dining room, kitchen complete with wall and floor cupboards, enclosed veranda, patio, powder room, laundry, and double carport. The upper floor consists of a master bedroom with walk-in closed closet and ensuite bathroom with jacuzzi, 2 other bedrooms, 1 front porch, and a self-contained flat that has 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, living and dining rooms, kitchen, laundry room, veranda, and private entryway. The property has easy access to schools, commercial activities, beaches approximately 5 to 10 minutes away, and 10 minutes from Ocho Rios town center, an hour and a half to Montego Bay and the Kingston Airport, 5 minutes to the Ian Fleming International Airport. Call today to schedule your appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 535,000 or Jamaican $82.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.